This is the second method to use your body as the pendulum. So from wherever you are, you want to have just a little bit of space. You want to have your feet about shoulder width apart. And the objective is to sway forwards for yes, backwards for no. So if you're going the opposite direction, you have to do something called grounding. The fastest thing to do, I'm just going to insert this real quick, is grab a stainless steel spoon from your kitchen. This is from Donna Eden, and it works every time. Fast, easy, simple. Grab that spoon and just rub the spoon on the bottom of your feet, on both feet, on the soles of your feet, and then you're going to check it again so that you are going forward for yes, backward for no. Okay. Now that we got that out of the way, what I want you to do is put your hands on your heart. Take a nice deep breath. And just like you did with the physical pendulum, if you're communicating with your body, you are asking your body right now, show me my yes. And your body goes forward. Show me my no. And my body goes backward. If you wish to communicate with a spirit guide, spirit guides, I ask that you use my body as a tool, as a means of communication, as a pendulum. I grant you permission to use my body as a pendulum. Please give me clear information. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Am I communicating with my spirit guide? And my body goes forward for yes. Am I show me my no. And I go backward. And then you can ask any question you want, again, in a yes or no format. So most importantly, when you're done, give them gratitude. Thank them for the information that they provided for you, because the more gratitude you have, the stronger this communication comes. And what I will say is most of the time, as I'm asking the question, they show me the yes or no in my head. So eventually, and this will be in another video, eventually the goal is really to just use this as a tool to communicate with your intuition. But eventually your clairvoyance or your clairaudience or your claircognizance or one of your sixth senses will be developed enough that you won't really need the pendulum. And that's the whole point of it, is not to rely on it, not to become dependent on it, but to use it to really build your own innate gifts. So I hope that you learned something in this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please comment below. That helps the channel. If you have any questions about how to use it, what came up, anything like that, drop it below. I would love to hear from you. And like the video, as it helps me as well. Subscribe if you haven't already. All of those things. They say that when you ask to do that, it happens more often. So I thank you in advance for all of the support that you have shown me, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.